Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. In this video, uh this video will be the second lesson of my MySQL course, and in this video I will just be practicing this table, like making this table and then writing the commands for the following queries. I've already made this table in MySQL, so as not to increase the time of the video. And here is why I have highlighted these two queries in red, because I wasn't able to, get the commands for this. It was just showing error and always error. So as soon as I get the solution to that error, I will post one more video and add the video of that link in this video. So let's start. First of all, we'll open MySQL. Just search MySQL command line client, and then type the password in that you use that you set when you were installing MySQL. Now, I've already created the table, so you already know how to create a table if you have seen my previous video. So let's just see where that table I've created that table. So we'll just type show databases, and then this is the second lesson. I'll name that databases tutorial 2. So we'll type use tutorial 2, and then show tables. So it is the Amul table. So I'll just display the Amul table once, which will be Amul, sorry, not Amul, select star from Amul. This is a command select, which is used to display the information or the content or the data that's in a table, or the values, and the star is used to display all the records in the table, and from Amol is used to specify the table from which we have to show the records of the certain table that we want to show. Press enter, and now here is our table. Now, our first query is display all the records, which we did right now, so no need to do it again. The second query is display records for item number which are greater than 2. So we'll use this, which are greater than 2. So for this, we'll use display records for item number. Okay, display all the records. It should be all the records for item number which are greater than 2. Okay, so here it's showing to display all the records where the item number are greater than 2. So for that, we'll use the select star command only. Select star from specify the table name Amul, where, because there's a condition in this query, which is where item number is greater than 2. So it will show all the records in the table where the item number is greater than 2. So item number is greater than 2 are for these four items, which are cheese, butter, ghee, milk. Cheese, butter, ghee, milk. Now let's move on to our third query, which is display records for item name cake. See, here is display record for item name where the item name is cake only, or we can it's we can also show all the records. I'll try both, like to display only the name. Actually it doesn't make sense to display only the name where the item name is cake. So we'll display all the records. So for that, we'll use the select star query once again. Select star from Amol, which is specifying the table name, where, because there's a condition, and that condition is item name is equal to, and always remember, when any data or record is in varchar, which is variable character, which is a string data type, we always use the single inverted comma, which is this. Now write cake and put the semicolon and press enter. So it will show all the records where the item name is cake. Now let's move on to our second query. I mean the last fourth query, which is list all the item name whose item cost is more than 20. So here it's telling us only to list the item name where the item cost is more than 20. So for that we'll not use the select star because star is used to display all the records. So instead we will write select item name because we only want to show the names from, do not forget to specify the table name. I added extra, extra space and extra L in Amul, sorry for that. And here from Amul where the item cost is more than 20, so we'll write item cost is more than 20. Press enter. So it showed only the item name where the item cost was more than 20. So ghee's item name, like item cost was 100, so it's more than 20, and milk powders was 75, is more than 20, and all the others are less than 20, which is 15, 8, 20, and 10. And I've in the previous video I've uploaded this notes in the description of in a Google Drive link where I've attached the basic commands and operators and data types, all that. So from there you can take the reference for the exercises that I provide you in the further and upcoming videos. Okay, so here next query is list all the item name whose item cost is not 20. Here we just have to display all the names where item cost is not equal to 20. So for that we'll write select item name. Wait, spelling of name was wrong. Item name from Amul, I forgot to specify the table name, where item cost is not 20, which is not equal to. So for not equal to we can use this less than and greater than sign simultaneously, and then write the value which we want to use, which is 20, and then add the semicolon and press enter. So it will show all the records, or not all the records, only the name where the item cost is not 20. So the item cost is 20 only in milk, and as you can see milk is not given in this record. So now move on to this query, which is list all the records whose item profit is more than 40. To list all the records we use select star query, select star from Amul where item profit more than 40, right? So here is more than 40, and it is displayed item profit more than 40 is 75 and 80, and in others it's 38, 20, and 10, which is less than 40. So our next query is list all the records in ascending order by item name. So in this query it's asking us to list all the records in ascending order by item name, like we have to arrange the item name into ascending order and then display all the records simultaneously accordingly. So for that we'll use select star, as you know, because it's all records, and for displaying any record in ascending order we just use order by command, and then add the the what do we call it, condition, which is where we in this case it's item name. So I'll just show you select star from Amul where not where Amul, now order by item name, so a semicolon and press enter. So it is displayed the item names in all the records according to the item name arranged in the ascending order, so B C C G M M, like that. Next query is to list all records in ascending order by item cost. So just press the up arrow key to bring the previous command, and then just change the item name to item cost, like this. Now press enter. So it has shown the ascending order by item cost, which is 8, 10, 15, 20, 75, and 100. Next is the same but by item profit. So press up arrow key, change item cost to item profit, like this, press enter. So item profit is 8, 10. We did sorry, with this time we did item cost, so it's 8, 10, 15, 20, 75, 100. And here it is item profit, which is 8, 10, 20, 30, 75, and 80, like this. We can also do one more thing to arrange this in descending order. For that, we don't need to do anything but just add order by item profit, DESC, and press enter. So it'll just add item profit. It will just arrange according to item profit in descending order. That's 80, 75, 30, 20, 10, and 8, like that. Add DESC in the last and it will show in descending order, or just leave it as it is, then it will show ascending order. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe my channel, and it will help me a lot if you guys subscribe, share, and comment to my video, because it takes a lot of time for me to compile these notes into a Word file and then convert it to PDF and all that. And I'm just doing this for your own sake, and it will be a nice pleasure for you. It will be a nice pleasure for me if you like, share, and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching.